exhibition game dito sa Batasan. DJ Lolo Bro in the house. Lolo Bro. Lolo Bro in the house. Yeah. Lolo Bro. Lolo Bro in the house.
Salamat din Batasan, maganda na kayo dahil mga kakalabanin nyo na ang ating PBA Legends. Yes. Our next team of the PBA Legends, known as a celebrate the year 2000. Sanya Dr. George Estrella, please welcome Jerome Erasito. Next player, PBA Rookie of the Year since 1994. The top for his pistol play, please welcome Nori Luxi. Next on our list, PBA Rookie of the Year, way back 1996. One of the best shot blockers in PBA history, the skyscraper Mario Aquino. Our next player, known for his excellent defense and rebounding, member of the PBA's 25th greatest player is the defense minister, Jack Mera. Our next player, known for his explosive scoring and power, also part of the PBA's greatest, please welcome Nelson Aceitono. Our next player, PBA most valuable player way back 1996. First born leader to get an NBA tryout at Charlotte Hornets. 1997, one of the best point guards in PBA history. And also a member of the PBA's 25th greatest player. Please welcome the Florian Johnny Abrientos. And of course, makakasama din natin ngayong gabi, our PBA show player, Coach Gaston! And last but not least, four-time PBA MVP, tied for most in history, PBA's greatest players number, played his entire career with Buford, one of the most iconic players ever. Please welcome the captain, Alvin Patrimonio. Ayan, so photo muna tayo para sa ating team of PBA Legend, please. Kasama po si Kapitan George Abad.
memories ng mga tito dito. Nolasco. Tukanabi to Bros Whitey, palpal na! Nolasco or Wemby to Enraka. Crossover. Enraka to Wemby. Nakuha ng team bago. Ulises. LeBron! Fresh from California, USA. Enraka to Kanabi. 3 points para sa Team Bahasa. Ang score natin is 9-5. Alvin, wala ang walang pupunta kay Nolasco. Pupos, Whitey, 2 points. Ito na naman sa Lebron. Tumayo. At ito na ang oras is 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Nakuha ni Mila Noveray to Dokte Lebron ulit. Namimista sa ilalim. Hasan Lebron Gaston naagawa niya. Nolasco, Puliano, to Hernandez, back Puliano, wala. Lebron, pinasa kay Gaston. Gaston, to Frias, pinaliwa pa, wala lang tinamaan. Nakuha ng Gio Galing, to Entrada, to Hernandez, 2 points. 8 minutes and 10 seconds sa ating third quarter. LeBron James, tumabi na kayo! Kay LeBron! At lumalayo na ang Team Bato. Hernandez, wala. Aquino. Zegalamen. Entraka sa ilalim, sa kanya ulit, side step, wala. Ang bola, makakuha ni Gaston. Inaagawan to Frias, jumper, wala. Nolasco nakakuha ng bola to Yanto. 5 minutes and 57 seconds. Yanto bumababa. 2 points. Dinalaman, lakdak. LeBron!